Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to remove Facebook link on Instagram bio. So let's get started. First, open up Instagram. Head over to your profile. Click on Edit Profile. From here, you're going to click on Add Link. Your Facebook profile link should show up here. In my case, my Facebook account is not here because I didn't put my Facebook profile link here. But anyway, all you have to do is click on your Facebook profile link that should be here, then click on Remove. And after that, you can go back to your profile, refresh the page, and the Facebook link should be gone. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.